Back, legends. It's Easter Sunday fishing. You get it in ya.
Get it in you, bad dog.
It's Tame Baby. BMG. I need to tell you straight up.
That seems pretty good to me.
Yeah,
It
was a big white, that's for sure.
A lot of colour.
Alright. I like it.
As long as it's not a mangy ray.
No, it looked fishy in the water.
Tell you what, Adam's making it look good.
I'm flexing at every moment.
Drag a bit more, just a touch more.
That's it.
Yep, other run. Oi, 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 we're on. Oh, is he on? Yes, he's on. We're on, buddy. You.
Mine's still on this side, which is a good thing.
You're all good, Adam. Yeah, you were good.
No, Tomo, you're on his.
I'm on his. Yep.
Freaking hell, I got off. You got to back that off.
Yep.
Oh,
Come on, baby, no, you're picking up the vibe that I be laying down. I'm trying to lay you down.
Yours is bigger than that, hey, Adam?
Baby, let's just play around. Yo, what's cool if you don't, girl? Just not the type to wait
hold him
around.
up.
You know, baby,
Yeah.
we talking
Good
for a
measure.
while now. Looking back at the time.
Let him run if he wants to run.
well, that's what kingies like to do.
Learn from your mistake from the last one.
Yeah, the last one was a big fish. I was saying him.
Use all of your cognitive processings to learn what you did wrong and adjust it.
The last one was a big one.
CPU overload.
If he wants to go down, don't wrench it up against him.
They must.
If he wants to go down, you back the drag off so he can go down.
Yeah, the last
Get
one
that floater back in, Tomo.
jumps in the water.
Where's your belt?
Get your squid tracks back in. Yeah, good, Adam, good. That's it. Good. Use the rod to get him up.
Here we go. Kingy says it.
Is it a kingy?
Yeah. Kingy.
It is a kingy. Got net, Tomo?
Huh?
Got net? Only baby.
Yep.
Net that dog. Kingies, man. The water must be warm.
Oh, here's a bit bigger.
Hold him up, Adam. We'll get him in a picture. Tomo, you're on. You're on.
Kingies just bite.
You're still on.
Yep.
Let me get this here. Take your time, Tommy, because it's caught up in here.
You're right, Tomo. Just stay on this side of the road.
Yeah.
Is he off?
No, he's on.
Yeah, nice. I can see him. It is a... It might be a Dewey, bro. Got the net? Yeah, that's Dewey, Tomo.
Oh, it is too.
Get him up, bro. Up, up, up. Yeah, Rickett, we're on.
Hey!
Maybe Dewey.
Yeah, high fives.
Stretch him. 60.
Yeah, what about... He's just
Too
not.
small.
Just freaking not.
In you go.
See you, Champo. Off he goes.
I'll tell your
Right,
dad.
let's get back down. Let's reset.
Beautiful.
On the snap bait, 155 gram. Beautiful Dewey. With Oki and a fillet of wrasse. 6. Yeah, she on. She on. 5. 600.
600?
600.
600. Marvellous.
Good,
Hey. Easter miracle.
Mate, Adam, that kingy of yours was a stunning. Oh, hello.
That was funny. That was right on a spot a mate gave me.
Was it?
Yeah. Which I've never fished.
Oh.
We'll do a reset. Sky over. Oh, use a snook. Yeah. Big dog. Solid, eh? Solid models. Very good. How long you got?
Good 66. Yeah, wow.
Yours is bigger.
Welcome back, legends.
Yeah. Hasn't got a big paddle tail down though, eh?
Oh, my drag's pretty tight.
Is it?
Yeah. Every time
Back it
I
off
set
if it wants to go down.
What was that?
If it wants to run down, back your drag.
Yeah, back to the field.
Otherwise, just keep going.
Yeah, it feels like it does want to. Oh yeah, it definitely does.
I can't see any colour.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see colour.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a different. It's a no, it's that freaking same Paul Jackson.
That's funny, Ag. He followed us.
I swear it's the same one.
Probably.
Dude.
Oh, you hook set at him now.
Okay. No, that thing's football. Nice. Just hold him there a sec. Chuck him in the tub otherwise, is it? Like an inky dog.
Oh, decent size cuddly, eh?
Yeah, he's been stuffing around me
Hey, put that in your tank.
for so long.
You can have those in your tank, you know.
Big one, eh?
Yeah. That looks like.
That's near on one of the biggest I've caught. See the scar on his back? Big star scar. Yep. Yummo.
No, it's very light. It was light. Oh, could be more day, that's alright.
Oh, bloke. Where's the net? Oh, we don't need Do we need the net? Yeah, get the net, get the net. He's only just freaking lipped in his skin. Oh, yes. Horse. You done that last time, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, Dylan.
Yeah, foul hook though. That is gangster.
That's decent.
I think we'll pull it
Speaking.
up last time.
That's probably what's been smashing our hooks, you know.
I think that's what snapped.
Where's he go?
Oh, we'll say 50, yeah.
Gun.
Yeah,
Yes. That's cool. Nice one.
I've never done that. You
Yeah,
know?
give it a go.
Yeah, where am I going?
For his brain, bro.
His brain's like right there.
Right, about, yeah. Give it a little wiggle. You reckon you got him? I reckon you did. You changed colour straight up. Yeah, righto. Hold him up. Nice.
No, we just,
For today,
yep.
what do you reckon?
Definition. If you win some, you lose more. Fish responsibly. Yeah.
Yes. What do you reckon? Oh, he's a classic, isn't he?
Yeah. I don't even know how I came up with that. It was from gambling.
Doing it. The gambling.
I don't gamble either.
Yes. Sick. Thanks for coming, hey. You can't park there, brah! Turn him up. Hey! Still in our spots, the guys. Ben's just got a cuddle. Yes. Oh, is it a cuddle dog though? Oh, it's got some life. Kind of. On my new endorphin rod. With a bend in it. Yeah. Here's a big one, eh? Yep, net please, sir. Yep.
Yeah, boy.
Got the dog. Learn the muck and boodin from him, eh?
Yeah. Salty on the cuddle. Yeah.
With my new rod, look at that. First thing I caught on it. On the snapbait. Cuddle dogs love the snapbait.
Snap bait all day long.
150.
Got some weight on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, in the yes. Erin will be happy.
Yeah.
She loves it now. She goes, I'd rather have a cuttlefish than a Jew.
Yeah.
Yes. Alright. Yahoo! Finally, hey?
Let's get it.
Nice. Here we go. Oh no, what is it? Oh, it's a Jewy.
Yeah.
It's just not on the snapbait 200.
You. Good dinner plate.
Yeah.
Good dinner plate.
That is a flounder. Very cool.
On a deep sea snapper rig.
Oh yeah, heavy duty.
Yep. Chemically sharpened hooks.
Nice one, Ben. Yeah.